Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Fintu and you're watching Friday First Cut series. I am Nidhi Manchanda, Certified Financial Planner and Head of Training Research and Development at Fintu. Retail inflation rose to an 8-year high in April, while wholesale prices for the same month hit the fastest in 3 decades. Inflationary pressures worsened by war-induced supply chain disruptions, increased prices of commodities including fuel, food and fertilizers. Rising data points towards higher inflation are spooking the markets, and currently the expectation is still the same that in next couple of months inflation should peak. If we talk about inflation situation in US, it is probably graver than what we are facing in India. In the United States, the inflation that they are facing is similar to what they faced in 1970s. So that is clearly at top of the charts as compared to what we see in India. In view of worsening inflation, RBI is expected to aggressively tighten the monetary policy in the next meeting. Let us now see what is the expectation from RBI. Now it is forecasted that RBI will raise interest rate as much as 50 basis points in June as we see clear hawkish commitment by the central bank to bring back the inflation closer to 2 to 6% of its target band. Looking at the rising inflation rate, which would remain above 7% in the fiscal 2022-23, it is expected that RBI may further hike rate by 25 basis points in August as well. With this, it can be said that there is a clear focus on reaching pre-pandemic monetary conditions, which we expect to happen by the August MPC. As the policy is behind the curve and is expected to significantly catch up through front-loaded rate hikes. The RBI minutes released on Wednesday showed that the monetary policy makers expect for a reversal of the pandemic era accommodations during the meeting. I hope this video was informative. For any further query, feel free to get in touch with our finance and tax experts, and for more such videos, do subscribe to our channel.